Model, 69 Citroen Relay Boxer L2H2 2.2 HDI needs repairs. Starts drives Euro 6 Vat Inclusive. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 147375. MOT, the 28th of February 2026. Engine, 2179 cc/W12 BLUEHDI 140. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts great. Runs with a rattle. Top-end rattle suspected the chain what links cams is loose. Gearbox has lost second gear, no drive, just crunches and pops out. Timing chain needs replacing. Gearbox needs repairing. Grin. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean and presentable. Interior is very clean and has plenty life left in it. Rear load area is very clean and tidy with loads of life left in it.